rights violation. Malami asks court for more time to file processes in Kanu's suit against federal government. Welcome to the news, and thank you for tuning in to listen. The federal government and the Attorney General of the Federation, AGF, have asked the High Court of Abia State for an extension of time to enable them file processes in the suit instituted by Nnamdi Kanu. Kanu, leader of the proscribed indigenous people of Biafra IPOB, has filed a suit marked HIH-FR 142021 against the federal government of Nigeria. Attorney General of the Federation, Chief of Army Staff, Inspector General of Police, Director General of the Department of State Services, and 3 others for allegedly violating his fundamental human rights. Kanu, through his lawyer, Aloy Jumako, asked the court to compel the respondents to pay him 5 billion naira in damages as monetary compensation for the physical, mental, emotional, psychological, and other damages he allegedly suffered. The case was adjourned till October 7th after the federal government and the AGF failed to make appearances or file processes in the court. As of September 21st, only 2 out of the 8 respondents had filed processes in the matter, the DSS in Abuja and Abia. On October 7th, however, the case could not be heard as the case file, which was returned by KSJ Okereke, the vacation judge, was yet to be assigned to another judge. In a fresh application dated September 29th but filed on October 6th, the AGF and federal government are asking the court for an extension of time to serve their counteract affidavits and other processes on parties in the suit. While admitting that they are out of time stipulated by law, the respondent said it was due to circumstances beyond their control. They prayed the court to use its discretion in the interest of a fair hearing. But the Jumako opposed the application and cited statutory and judicial authorities that disallowed inordinate delays in hearing cases of fundamental rights, especially in situations where the applicant is in detention. It beggars belief that it took the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the Office of the Attorney General of the Federation, with presumably thousands of lawyers, almost 1 month after being served a fundamental rights suit, to prepare a counter-affidavit, he said. The KB can confirm that the case has been assigned to Abia High Court 1, which is presided over by the Chief Judge of the state. Only 5 billion. Can 5 billion buy one life out of many that was lost in his father's house? He should be talking about trillions, not billions. The truth remains that no amount of money can equate for a life. No amount of money can equate it at all. No matter the money, the person cannot come back. And I do not even think that is what we should really be discussing right now. He do not want to make money out of Nigeria. He wants justice to be done and also use the opportunity to expose Nigerian injustice towards their citizens. And God will continue to be his mouthpiece. This Malami, to be honest with you, sir, forgive me if you do not treat Nnamdi case with caution. It will close down Nigeria. Okay. The FG should pay for the damage since 2017 military destroyed their house and other properties. Sorry, no payment to be made to your health, as this serves as a deterrent to your damages on PMB's name. Oh my goodness. Damages on his name. Federal government is praying for more time instead of vice versa. God is watching Nigeria, as is in the case of Israelites and Pharaoh of Egypt. None shall escape the wrath of God. Fake country, fake cabinet members. Our political system is like a child's play, nothing serious. Malami is looking like a trailer driver after smoking enough weed. Oh my goodness. Nnamdi Kanu has been secretly flown to India for medical checkup. Nigerian government should pray nothing to happen to him, otherwise we will burn down Nigeria. This is really, really serious. This is really, really serious. Study your job very well, because you are not serious. In any Nigerian case, since Buhari is the one that gives you the job. Okay. Even the federal government is so afraid of one Igbo man, a man against the country. I have said it so many times that the government is hell-bent to destroy Southeast. They know that the detention of Nnamdi Kanu is causing irreparable damage to the Southeast and want to continue so that the destruction continues. One thing they fail to understand is that the more they harm, the more they are weakening. They will not destroy us. God Almighty, who owns life, must destroy them. Karma does not take bribe. Okay. Before the detention of Kanu, was there any peace in the Southeast? His detention has reduced the terrorist attack which he was leading. So let him remain there. It is sad. It is really, really sad indeed. Really, really, really very sad. The Somalian residents in Nigeria, otherwise referred to as the killers, Fulanis people, have evil agenda since they emerged from the Sahel regions of Somalia. The illegality of AGF and Fulani, who were foreign emperors on Nigeria contraption, had hijacked all the rule of law and had hell-bent to plunge Nigeria into colossal tsunami of destruction and lawlessness. He had breached all the protocol of legal engagement and committed contempt of court by showcasing nonchalance and undue procrastination in an exigent situation. A Fulani Muslim man can never believe in the rule of law. Buhari, give them Biafra. They do not want to be part of Nigeria, or is it by force? Honestly, Nigeria is really, really not behaving like a country. The future is really bleak. Enough of the Malami delay strategy. The court must uphold equity and justice. Malami is just buying time for someone else. What is in a case that is not that? What is in this case that he has not produced sense? When you have an uneducated running a government, you see such decisions being taken. See a bunch of lazy people piloting the affairs of a country. How can you repatriate someone you do not have evidence on? Imagine if America FBI had cemented 3,000 evidence to Nigeria in a very short period, which is to say, before the cough, they all had their facts ready, and all was made available when needed. I pray one day God will give us persons that love this country, and not persons with selfish and personal interests. Amen to that. The way issues are delayed and handled in Nigeria, the judiciary, are we laying a good foundation or showing good example for the future generation to get it right and continue with? Honestly, in this administration, actions and style of leadership have no sincerity of purpose with transparency. So what is the hope of peace for what? For the one Nigeria, when the leaders are not encouraging the truth? It is very sad. On this note, we have come to the end of the news. We say thank you for tuning in to listen and staying to the end.